Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the blur on the background only in CapCut PC. Alright, so select your photo you like to edit or your video, and you can go to Apply and then select the lens, select the blur, and you can adjust for the duration in the same length with the effect. Alright, so you can select the clips, right click and create compound clip. Go to media and add the same image, same photo, just for the duration it's in length, and go to cutout and select auto cutout for remove the background. And here we go, this is the final effect you have on your clip. So this is how you can create the blur on the background only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.